Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So I need to run down to the little farmer's market to see if they're open and grab some veggies and some things. So I thought I'd go ahead and take the Zora Master out to go and do that. And well, let's just get going. That's better. Let's get the camera situated here so you can see a little bit better what's going on. I need to adjust my mirrors. So in the garage where everything's pretty tightly fit, my mirrors get bumped often. Never where they need to be. So, yeah, I've been wanting to go down to this little farmer's market. I don't go there very often, and they used to be open during the week, but now I think they're only open on the weekends. And it's really unfortunate. All these small mom and shop places, little farmer markets and things, they're slowly getting squeezed out by bigger stores. That's just how it goes, I guess. Yeah, haven't been out a whole lot. I actually got out this morning and was able to record a couple different videos. So, usually I only do one a day, right? But today I managed to get out there and record a couple of smaller ones and things that needed to get done. And now we're recording this one here. So, yeah, it's a good day today. And I'm hoping to get out this afternoon with Mrs. Adventure. Now that we have her electric XP trike fixed, she's been itching to get out. Just hasn't felt real well the last few days. It's been so hot recently. It's really hard for her to get out. So maybe later this afternoon, hopefully about sunset or something, maybe she'll feel like going out and we can get out there for a little bit. Let's take a look. Yep, we're good. Gotta cross over right here. Take a little shortcut. I like that this bike can go, 25 miles an hour. I wished I could pedal though. If I changed out the front chain ring, I'd probably be able to pedal a little easier. Maybe we'll change out the cassette altogether on the back and be able to pedal easier. But on a day like today where it's 9:30 in the morning and it's already, I don't know, what is it? About 90 degrees, I think, already, with a higher humidity. I just don't want to do a lot of pedaling. Call me soft if you want to, but just not into it. Alright, so this is a bit of a bumpy ride when you don't have suspension forks. Where is this little market? It's been a long time since I've been down here. I thought it was a little closer. I was thinking it was right along here, but I guess it's further down. Alright. I don't have a green light, but I'm also not going to bake in the sun. There's no one coming behind me now except for that car, so we're going to go. Tasty Fresh. Well, he's got some fun looking stuff right there. There's a little taco truck on the right. I haven't been to in a while, but I used to go fairly often. Oh, they moved over for me. Thank you. Yeah, it was nice of them to really consider it. It's better than being called a cheater when you're driving along, right? Yeah. Well, that hasn't happened in a little while now, so it's bound to happen again sometime soon. Oof. So, sadly, I mentioned recently that I've decided I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this bike. Because really the only time I've been using it is to run down here to the little farmer's market. They're not open. Oh, that's so sad. Look. I guess they didn't survive. I was really hoping they would. Anyway, we're going to be getting rid of this bike because I need something more multi-purpose. And so I'm trying to figure out how to put larger baskets on the back of the Magicycle Deer because it has front suspension and it's a more of a multi-purpose SUV style bike, right? Versus this one just strictly being cargo, because I only ride this one when I'm doing shopping or I'm going to pick up some bigger items. That's the only reason I use it. So it's kind of a waste to have it around. So we are going to get rid of it. But hey, while we're here, the company has asked me to do get some photos, so I think this would be a cool photo shop right here. There's still some onions back there, and they've got some stuff on the shelves, so they're not completely closed up. They're just, for some reason, not open on a Saturday morning. That's unfortunate. Well, bummer. Bummer. Now what are we going to do? I was hankering for some food, some veggies, without having to go to the grocery store. Whew. Interesting thing, Friday to Sunday, there is a little shop back here, two of them actually. So there's a little food truck right here, and those are new. Those picnic tables are new. They didn't have a place for people to sit, so that's there. And then the blue one back there, that's actually a different place, and he sells fish, and he's only got like 4 or 5 menu items, but fish and fish sandwiches and that sort of thing. Now it's been a while since I've been here, and they've changed things a lot because, if I'm not mistaken, there was something out here, an extension on this building right here, and this was all covered. This was a covered walk path. It was wood planks going up across here, and then the whole area was kind of covered in, and it just kind of looked nice, and so they tore all that out, and that's kind of sad. So I'm not sure why they did that. I mean, for a little roadside place, it was kind of fun to come here. So, but it looks like the two different food places here, owned by 2 different people, looks like that's still open, so that's kind of fun. So I'm gonna have to come over here one day for lunch on a Friday or a Saturday. Yeah, there. That's the menu for one of them. Big old sign there. Ribs and hamburgers and sausage and chicken and pork. That's a new sign, and that's actually a newer menu, I think. So, yeah. Oh well. Well, bummer. I'm not going to go on into town because there's nothing there for me. There's Toby's Vet. That's new. It's been open less than a year. Nice big building. Nice people in there. This little shop right here used to be where Toby used to get his haircuts, but yeah, we learned some things about that place, and now we don't go there at all. Yeah, stay away from that place. And really counting on this being a fun little riding video. Going to the farmer's market that no longer exists. This little place used to be open, but the hurricane took it out. Oh, what time is it? Is it time for a taco? I'm hungry. It's a little early for tacos. Oh, we got some honey over here, it looks like, some melon, some different kind of drinks, some pineapple. Yeah, fun little roadside stand out here in the country, right? And then we got the little taco truck over here. Guys, I didn't eat breakfast. So, I'm thinking we're going to order something. Tacos. It's too early for tacos. But that new burrito looking thing right there looks good, doesn't it? I don't know. It's too early. Too early for something spicy. You know, it never turns out to what the picture looks like, though. Yeah, isn't that aggravating? You see something, it looks good, and then you go buy it, and then it comes out looking like a mess. I could think of quite a few other restaurants that are the same way. No one else coming. We're going to slip out here now and hit the sidewalk right here. All right. All right, guys, so sorry, this was a bust. I could go down to my regular supermarket, but I really don't like doing that kind of shopping on a weekend because it's just so busy, and I'm a bit of a recluse. I like to stay away from the crowds and not get down there and mess with them. So, no watermelon, no fresh veggies, probably till Monday. We still have a few things, we'll be okay. We're not going to go hungry, that's for sure. Do I look like a guy that goes hungry? I mean, come on now. I am not going to go hungry. All right. This is a rough ride. This little barbecue place right here. We used to go here. We don't go here anymore either. So, when we first moved here, with it being just down the road from where we live, and there was very little else around, we would come here a few times, and the barbecue was actually pretty good. It was, I don't like their sauce. Their sauce has got a really heavy mustard taste to it, and I just don't care for that at all. But so I put our favorite barbecue sauce on it or something from home. But the last couple of times we came out here, the food just really hasn't been that great. So we stopped coming all together. And other people have noticed it too, because I've noticed their star rating has really dropped a lot. So it's unfortunate to see small businesses struggle and small businesses go out of business, but you got to have the products, you got to have the quality, you got to have a pretty good price, and if you don't have either one, people aren't going to keep coming. It's clear in both directions. For a Saturday, there is no one coming. So anyway, I think that's going to be it. We're not going to go any further on this ride because it's just a little too warm. I got other things to do, some honeydews to take care of. So that's going to be it for this video. You know what to do.